Hello everyone. Today I will show you how the Rotimatic makes the roti. So there are three containers on the top of Rotimatic. One is having the flour, second one have water, and the third one you need to put the oil. Then you select the number of chapati you want to make and then press the play button. Once you press the play button, you will see that the Rotimatic will start to make the dough out of the flour, water, and oil. Once it makes the dough, it passes it to the bottom of the Rotimatic where it press that dough and make it a round roti. So it will heat it from the top and bottom until the roti is done, and then it will serve the roti in front of you. So let's see how this process works. So right now you see that it is pressing the dough and it's almost like a round shape, and then it will heat it up at the same time. The whole process of making one chapati takes around 1 minute. So now you can see the roti is almost done and it comes out from the front. So the roti is now ready to eat. Now let's see how the roti looks like. You can see that it's very similar to the normal roti which you make at home. It's very soft. I eat every day, and you can just have a curry or sabji or anything you want, and then eat that roti with that. It's very easy to use and very helpful. It's kind of noisy, but it's very helpful. So, thanks a lot for watching.